Ever wondered about the invisible forces that power our everyday electrical devices? The answer lies in the fundamental principles of electromagnetism, specifically in Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and Lenz's law. These laws explain the relationship between a changing magnetic field and the electrical current or electromotive force, EMF, produced in response. Firstly, we tackle Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Named after Michael Faraday, this law states that a change in the magnetic field within a closed loop induces an EMF. The magnitude of this induced EMF is proportional to the rate of change of the magnetic flux. Mathematically, Faraday's law can be written as EMF equals negative of the rate of change of magnetic flux, represented as EMF equals negative derivative of magnetic flux with respect to time. The negative sign indicates that the induced current will flow in accordance with Lenz's law. Now on to Lenz's law. Named after Heinrich Lenz, this law asserts that the induced current will always flow in a direction to oppose the change in magnetic flux that produced it. In simple terms, one can interpret Lenz's law as nature resists change. If the magnetic flux is increasing, the induced current will generate a magnetic field opposing the increase. If the magnetic flux is decreasing, the induced current will create a magnetic field opposing the decrease. Lenz's law can be articulated as the induced EMF generates a current whose magnetic field opposes the change in magnetic flux. Together, Faraday's law and Lenz's law explain how a changing magnetic field can give rise to an electric current. These laws are crucial in understanding the functioning of electrical generators and transformers, as well as the behavior of inductors in electrical circuits. To sum it up, Faraday's law and Lenz's law are the gateway to understanding the fundamental principles of electromagnetism. They elucidate the interplay between changing magnetic fields and the resultant electrical currents or forces. These laws serve as the building blocks for the functioning of many of our everyday devices, from power generators to electronic gadgets. So the next time you switch on a light or charge your phone, remember the invisible forces at play as explained by Faraday and Lenz that make it all possible.